You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just addicted to cheap dopamine. Reels, porn, junk food, video games, endless scrolling. Every time you chase easy pleasure, your brain loses the ability to feel motivated by real life. Today, I'm giving you the full protocol to reset your brain and take your life back. First, I want to understand the enemy. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical. It's supposed to push you toward goals, hard work, and real achievement. But when you flood it with cheap stimulation all day, your brain raises the threshold. Suddenly, real life feels boring. Work feels impossible. You feel nothing. That's the trap. And most people never escape it. Step 1. Day 1 to 3, hard reset. Delete social media apps. No porn, no junk food, no gaming. This will feel uncomfortable, almost painful. That discomfort, that's your brain healing. Sit with it. Don't run from it. Let it pass. Step 2, replace with hard inputs. Cold shower every morning. No negotiation. Exercise daily, even 20 minutes. Read instead of scroll, and walk instead of watch. You're not removing pleasure, you're upgrading it. Hard inputs create real dopamine. Natural, powerful, lasting. Step 3, protect your morning like your life depends on it. The first 60 minutes of your day set your brain's chemistry for everything that follows. No phone, no social media, no news. Drink water, move your body, set your intention. Win the morning, win the day. Step 4, do the hardest task first, every single day. Your brain is freshest in the morning. Attack your most important work before the world distracts you. Every time you complete hard work, your brain releases real dopamine. This is how you rebuild your motivation from scratch. After 7 days of this protocol, you will feel clarity you haven't felt in years. After 30 days, you will not recognize the person looking back at you in the mirror. But it starts today. It starts with one decision. Put the phone down. Do the hard thing. Choose real life. If this woke something up in you, like, subscribe, and share this with someone still stuck in the trap. Your best life is on the other side of discipline. See you in the next one.